In this video, I'll guide you through how to monitor Google Trends so you can quickly see what people are searching for and how interest changes over time. Google Trends is a free tool from Google that shows you the relative popularity of search terms. It's really useful if you're working on content, marketing, product ideas, or you just want to understand what the world is paying attention to. We'll keep this simple and focus on the core workflow you'll use every time you open the tool. First, open your browser and go to trends.google.com. You don't need to log in or create an account to use the basic features, so you can start right away. When the page loads, you'll usually see some featured or trending topics on the homepage. These can be interesting to explore, but for now, we're going to focus on monitoring a specific topic that matters to you. Next, look for the search bar near the top of the page. This is where you'll enter a keyword or phrase you want to monitor. Think of something your audience might search for, maybe a product type, a brand, a hobby, or a news topic. Type your keyword into the search bar. As you type, Google Trends may suggest related topics or queries. These suggestions can be helpful if you're not sure about the exact wording or if you want a broader or more specific version of your idea. Once you've typed in your keyword, press enter or select the most relevant suggestion from the drop-down list. After that, click the Explore option if it doesn't automatically open for you. This takes you into the main dashboard where you can really start to monitor what's happening with that term over time. On the Explore page, you'll see a graph showing interest over time for your keyword. By default, Google Trends will usually set a recent time range and a country or region based on your location. Above the graph, you'll see controls where you can adjust the location, the time period, the category, and the type of search, such as web search, image search, or YouTube search. These filters are key to getting meaningful insights. To monitor trends effectively, start by adjusting the time range. For example, you might switch to the past 12 months to see seasonal patterns or choose the past 30 days to watch short-term changes. If you want a broader view, you can look at data from the past 5 years. This helps you understand whether a topic is steadily growing, spiking briefly, or slowly declining. You can also change the region to compare interest in different countries or focus on a specific market you care about. Below the main graph, you'll find related topics and related queries. These show what other things people are searching for in connection with your keyword, which can give you ideas for content or products to watch. From this Explore view, you can keep coming back to the same keyword and see how interest changes over time using the same filters. If you're checking regularly, try noting down key dates when you see spikes or drops. Over time, this becomes a simple but powerful way to monitor Google Trends for the topics that matter most to you.